Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we're going to learn how to create a Quran video. So the first thing to do is to look for the ayah that you want to include in your video. So you're going to use this Al Quran app for the ayah and to copy the ayah that you will use. So I'll click on it. I'm using some ayahs from Suratul Mulk. I'm using ayahs 6 to 11. So I'm going to copy from ayah 6 to 11. I'm going to copy the ayahs. And after that, I'm going to paste them in this app I call Notes. You can also use Google Notes in case your phone doesn't come with this app. From 6 to 7. Okay. So I'm done copying the ayahs and adding it to Notes. The next thing I'll do is I'll look for the background. I'll look for the background that I want to use. For the background, you can either use Pinterest or the website I talked about earlier, Pixabay. So if you are using Pinterest, that means you're only using like a picture. You're only using picture. But if you want to use video, you use Pixabay. So you just search for here. You can choose any picture. If this is the picture I want to choose, just click on it. Now, if this is the picture that I want to use, I'll just click on this three dots here and I'll click on download image. So if it's websites that I want to use, the Pixabay website, I'll go to Google and search for Pixabay. Pixabay videos. So I'll just click on this and search for Pixabay videos. And this is it. Clicking on it. Alright, so I can choose any video from here. So if I finally found the video that you want to use, you click on it. Let's say this, click on it. Then you click on download here. Download. So you can choose any format you want to download it. I'm choosing this one. Choosing the first one. Okay, after you have downloaded the background, the next thing is to download the reciter. You want to recite those ayahs for you. So the ayahs we copied were Surah Al-Mulk verse 6 to 11. So I'm going to use the Every Ayah website for the reciter. Every Ayah. So 67. Ayah 6. So this is where you choose your reciter. So I'm going to choose Al-Afasi.
وَلِلَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا بِرَبِّهِمْ عَذَابُ جَهَنَّمَ وَبِئْسَ الْمَصِيرُ.
So to download the MP3, I'm going to click on these three dots here. I'm going to click on these three dots here. So I'll click on it. Then I'll click on download. So I'm going to do the same for number 7 also. Al-Afasi. Okay. I'll download. Same for 8. 9. 10. 11. So after that is making a video. So I'm going to make the video with this app called InShot. So I'll click on video. Click on video. I'll click on this video that we downloaded from Pixabay. So I'm going to choose the canvas, which is going to be is that YouTube 916 or TikTok 916? But I'm going to choose YouTube 916. So the first thing first, before doing anything, is to remove the InShot watermark, because you might forget. So I'm going to remove the InShot watermark.
If you borrow 100,000 naira for 3 months, you need to repay.
So I have successfully removed the InShot watermark. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to decrease the speed of the video. I'm going to decrease the speed of the video. So I'm going to make it real slow. 51 minutes, okay, 51 seconds. So this is how it will look like. So on to making the Quran video. I'm going to click on audio to add the audios that we downloaded from the Every Ayah website. So I'm going to start with this one.
وَلِلَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا بِرَبِّهِمْ عَذَابُ جَهَنَّمَ وَبِئْسَ الْمَصِيرُ.
Plus sign to add it to the video. So that's for the first ayah. Now the second ayah.
إِذَا أُلْقُوا فِيهَا سَمِعُوا.
I'm going to add this for the second ayah too. Then the third one.
تكاد.
Third one. The fourth one.
قالوا بلى قد جاءنا.
You can see the fourth one is way longer than the video. It's way longer than the video, so I think I'm going to just cut the video short, because normally the video is not supposed to exceed 1 minute. But if I'm to add the fourth one, the video will surely exceed a minute. The fourth one, the fifth, and the sixth, the video will surely exceed 1 minute. So I'm going to leave it like that, and maybe remove the. I'm going to remove the fourth one. I've removed it. So I'm going to change the speed of the video. I'm going to change it. So I'm done with that. I've added the audio. The next thing is to add the text.
وللذين كفروا بربهم عذاب جهنم وبئس المصير.
So to add the text, I'm going to go to the notes and copy notes. Yes, I'm going to copy this ayah from there. Copy. I'm going to reduce the size. I'm going to change the color. Text should be right. Yes. So I'm going to play it.
وللذين كفروا بربهم عذاب جهنم وبئس المصير.
So at duration 9.9 seconds is where the first ayah ends. So I'm going to drag the first ayah to reach the duration 9.9 seconds. 9.9 seconds. So after that, I'll copy the second ayah. Copy the second ayah. Click on copy. I want to place it here. I'm going to reduce the size. So I'm going to play the video again.
إذا ألقوا فيها سمعوا لها شهيقا وهي تفور.
So at the duration 21.3 seconds is where the second ayah ends. So I'm going to go to the second ayah and drag it to 21.3 seconds. 21.3. Excellent. So this is where I'm checking the duration. Let me show you. Here. So I'm going to add the next ayah. The next ayah. I need to copy it. I need to add it. I'm going to reduce the size. I'm going to drag it down a bit. Wait. So I'm going to play it again.
تميز من الغيظ كلما ألقي فيها فوج سألهم خزنتها ألم يأتكم نذير.
So that's the last ayah. So I'm going to drag it to the end. Just to make sure it stays till the end of the video. So that's it. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to add my name. I'm going to add my name. Just to show that I was the one that created the video. I'm going to put it right here. So I'm going to drag it to the end of the video also. So I'm going to play the video again just to see if I should make any arrange any, just to see if there's any correction, if I should make any corrections. Okay.
وللذين كفروا بربهم عذاب جهنم وبئس المصير. إذا ألقوا فيها سمعوا لها شهيقا وهي تفور تكاد تميز من الغيظ كلما ألقي فيها فوج سألهم خزنتها ألم يأتكم نذير.
So that's it. So the next thing for me to do is to export the video. Since I see that there's no correction to be made, I'm going to export it. Export the video. And then we are done.